Manipur Legislative Speaker ki Tribunal da hearing chathaduna lakhiba JDU ki MLA manga BJP da CHONGSINKHIBAGI matangda makoi manga ki mathakta Manipur Congress ki Vice President Hareswar Goswami na tharakiba case adugi hearing ngasi Speaker ki Tribunal da chathakhibaga loinena LAKLIBA February 3 ta amuka hearing chathakinaba matam lepre hiramasigi matangda Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Speaker ki Tribunal na hariba nimit February 3 ki Pung taramathoy makhaida hearing chathanabagi cause list amasung ngasi thokre ningsing bayai madudi haukiba chahi inkumza lisangani kunitoi ge September marida lengak pariba VJP na luchingba NDA lengakta JANATA dal United ki MLA taruki manungda MLA manga chongsinkhibani hariba MLA manga adudi thangmaiban ACG KH Zoikishan Tipai Muki Ngursanglur Sanate Jirivam ACG MD Asafuddin Wangkai ACG Thangzam Arun Kumar Amadi Chorchanpur ACG MLA LM Teni ngasigi hearing aduda petitioner gi council advocate and bufendana haikibada hariba JDU gi MLA manga asigi manungda MLA Komuksam Zoikishan khak natana atai MLA Marina speaker gi Tribunal da counter affidavit amata tharakide masina takpadi MLA Mari asina tarasuba saddle gi makhada makoi gi mathakta chathariba anti defection gi case asi makha chathabada masana yare haina loba yare masigi mathakta petitioner gi council gi maikedi gi counter affidavit amata file tarakidaba MLA Mari adugi mathakta lupa lakh manga gi fine oina petitioner gi maikeda pihangadabani haiba wafam pukaki masiga loinena advocate and bupendana su NPP gi MLA singi mathakta opposition Congress BJP na luchingba leiriba government asida makata na support tawduna leiriba asigi matangda disqualification case ama thangatba adugi matangda su orally wafam speaker gi tribunal da pukaki.
Initially, I also orally mentioned that we have same petitioner has filed 4 disqualification cases separately against 4 different NPP MLAs, National People's Party MLA. That matter also may be taken up. Then we raised so many objections to that, and I raised particularly there only one Mr. Joy Kisan has filed counter affidavit, while remaining 4 MLAs have not yet filed their counter affidavit so far. So this may be presumed that they have no objection, and hence disqualification hearing may be proceeded. But then they also have filed non-maintainability issue. I raised the point that there should be a heavy cost of rupees 5 lakhs against all of them, those who have not filed their counter affidavit, and that may be given to the petitioners. The Honorable Speaker has decided that the next hearing hearing will be taken place on 7th, and this I believe the Honorable Speaker is taking it very expeditiously. So let's wait what happens on 7th.